Monday we will go for site visit, and there we will do some interesting activities. Okay, I hope you guys can follow us. Just enjoy the video, just enjoy the vlog. Okay, right, let's go. Watch out!
Damn! What is this place, man? This is Putrajaya Wetland Adventure Park. What are you doing here? I don't know, but let's take a quick look about this place. Let's go. Okay, so today we are going to the interview session. I think we are going to stand by for a while. Fatih is going to talk a bit with the public relation practitioner. So, let's go into this interview. Assalamualaikum. So here we are at PWAP, Putrajaya Wetland Adventure Park. So who are we here with? So Mr. Aslam, can you introduce yourself?
So, nama saya Muhammad Dia Aslam bin Samudin. Saya sebagai System Manager 1 Recreation. So mostly saya supervise dekat Puak lah, Adventure Park.
Okay. So may we know what are your main responsibility as a public relation practitioner?
Alright, so tanggungjawab utama saya kat sini mostly kita berhadapan dengan customer lah, di mana ada yang booking and then ada juga yang orang kata walk in. So dekat situ tanggungjawab saya memastikan orang puas hati dengan kita punya servis jalan kat sini.
So what are the types of crisis that are most common in your organisation?
Paling common yang terjadi kata dengan booking lah. So bila dengan booking ni bila dia datang tapi kita ada sedikit orang kata apa lost communication dengan department lain yang menyebabkan kita nak kena orang kata apa selesaikan lah krisis yang jadi bila mana kita dengan customer yang booking.
See. So anyone of you want to ask some questions?
So Cik Aslam, if there is an issue or crisis, what are the first steps taken when the crisis occurs? Okay. So bila ada krisis ataupun isu, kita benda pertama sekali kita nak kena analyse lah. So kok mana pun jangan ikut emosi. First kali try to think, tengok apa yang customer tu ataupun orang luar tu dia punya masalah dan kita cuba dapatkan jalan penyelesaian tu, yang di mana dia win dan kita pun win juga.
So it's a win-win situation. So between us, between your side and the customer side.
Yeah,
I see. Okay, next question, Mr. Aslam. What are the biggest challenge in managing a crisis?
So paling besar halangan yang ada ialah salah satu dia language barrier, sebab kita punya customer ada time dia datang bukanlah daripada rakyat Malaysia tu, dia luar juga. So one of the thing yang kita ada halangannya tu adalah language barrier lah.
Spanish. Aslam, for the question, what strategy are most effective in handling a crisis?
Okay, strategi yang paling bagus untuk kita handle krisis ni, mana first thing first kita nak kena train kita punya staff lah. dia punya PR before kita lepaskan dia ke ni lah, menghadapi customer. So bila kita dah train awal supaya benda yang besar, halangan yang besar tu kita dah dapat tackle pada peringkat awal. In case of ada krisis pun, saya sebagai yang bertanggungjawab untuk PR ni, saya tak perlulah orang kata bagikan jalan penyelesaian yang agak rumit kan. Sebabkan kita dah cover dekat bahagian staff kita.
Alright. For the last question, Mr. Aslam, what advice for students that are interested in public relations?
Okay, so nasihat saya, cuba berlatih untuk bercakap, and then banyakkan kosakata ataupun banyakkan membaca. Sebab bila dengan public relation ni kita banyak bercakap dengan orang. So try untuk dapatkan situasi, and common sense kena tinggi. Itu je.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Aslam. So I think that's all for our interview session for today. I hope we are going to meet in future.
Okay.
So let's see around this place. Let's go. Thank you.
We always dreamed about this better life, this better life. We always felt it coming all along, yeah, all along. We got the keys to open paradise, yeah, paradise. Now let's go walking hand in hand. Come on, baby, we can hit the lights, make the wrongs turn right. We can smash the clock, make the pop go rock. With a love this deep, we don't need no sleep, and it feels like we could do this all night. We could do this all night. Yeah, everything is alright. We got the keys to open paradise, yeah, paradise. It feels like.
Okay, children, you try this activity. Abseiling. Let's go.